You know that feeling when a story just grabs you and refuses to let go? Well, today we're diving into the wild world of adventure fiction. We're going to pull back the curtain and see exactly how those incredible, thrilling stories are actually built.
I mean, think about it, right? You're watching a movie, your popcorn's totally forgotten, and you are literally on the edge of your seat. Or maybe you're reading a book and you just tell yourself, okay, just one more chapter, even though it's way past your bedtime. What is that feeling? What's the secret sauce?
Well, here's the secret. It's not magic. It's a plan, a formula. You could even call it a blueprint. Every great adventure story, from your favorite book to the biggest blockbuster movie, is built on a very specific, very effective blueprint. And today, we're going to crack it wide open.
So first up, let's talk about the author's secret mission. Because before you can understand the blueprint, you've got to understand the goal. What is the writer actually trying to do?
It all boils down to this one single-minded mission: to build a thrill ride. Seriously, the writer's one and only purpose is to create a story so jam-packed with adventure, danger, and action that you just can't look away. Every single word, every sentence, it all serves that one goal.
So, if the author's mission is to build this incredible ride, what parts do they use? You can think of it like a recipe for excitement. You need very specific ingredients, and you have to combine them in just the right way to make it work.
And here they are. These are the 5 must-have ingredients for any great adventure. You need a vivid setting, brave characters, descriptive language, fast-paced storytelling, and a tense mood. These are the absolute building blocks. Let's break down what each one really does.
Okay, first up, the setting. This is so much more than just a background. In adventure stories, the setting is an active force. It's almost like a character itself. We're talking about deep jungles, the vacuum of space, a stormy mountaintop. These are places designed for things to go wrong. The setting itself is a source of conflict and danger.
Of course, you need people to face that dangerous setting. And the best heroes in these stories, they aren't just physically tough. They're facing huge emotional challenges too. They're battling something on the outside, sure, but they're also battling something on the inside. That mix is what makes a character someone you really root for. Now, this is one of my favorite ingredients. It's how authors make us feel what the character is feeling. They don't just say, the character was scared. That's telling us. It's kind of boring. Instead, they show us. His heart hammered against his ribs as he stared down the slippery cliff edge. You can feel that, right? That's the power of descriptive language. It puts you right there in the moment. Ingredient number 4, speed. Adventure stories do not waste your time. The pacing is relentless. There are no long, boring parts. It's all about forward momentum, constantly pulling you from one high-stakes scene directly into the next. It's pure go, go, go.
And finally, our 5th ingredient. When you put all the others together just right, you get this, a tense and suspenseful mood. It's that atmosphere of the story, that feeling of dread and excitement that makes your palms sweat. The author is constantly building suspense to make you desperate to find out what happens next.
Okay, so we've got our ingredients, but how do you put them all together to create that roller coaster of excitement? Well, that is where the story structure comes in. This is basically the assembly instructions for the action.
And this is the classic arc you'll see pretty much everywhere. It starts with the rising action. This is where the problems get bigger, the danger builds, and the stakes get higher and higher. Then, boom, the climax. This is the main event, the biggest moment of conflict. After that peak, you have the falling action, where things start to wind down. And finally, the resolution, where all the dust settles.
And the engine that drives this entire structure? It's a massive, dramatic conflict. We're not talking about a small disagreement here. We're talking about a life-or-death, world-changing problem that forces our hero to face their greatest fears and become more than they were before. It's the ultimate test.
So, we've looked at the author's mission, the essential ingredients, and the story structure. By breaking down this blueprint, you've basically just unlocked a new superpower.
I'm serious. It's like you now have story X-ray vision. The next time you're reading a book or watching a movie, you won't just be along for the ride. You'll see the machinery working behind the scenes. You'll spot the rising action. You'll identify the descriptive language, and you'll know exactly when that climax hits. You can see the blueprint.
So, I'll leave you with this question. Now that you have the keys to the kingdom, now that you can see the entire blueprint, what story are you going to analyze first? Pick your absolute favorite adventure movie or book and see if you can spot all the ingredients we talked about today.